Now, the reason why I'm filming this is because this little one that went directly under Saturn is a growler and a spitter. When I say a spitter, I mean they go like that. Like kitty cat. And they're usually the boys. Not always, but usually. Oh, and now we're walking. I'm not sure how that's going to go over. Do you need up? Saturn. Come on. Come on. Come on. You need up? We'll step it. Come on. I know you can do it, honey. I got baby food all over everybody now. I got you. Look at you. Look at you. Yeah, you're so sweet.
You're having so much.
Who are you? You're so sweet too. You're hanging out over here with Stormy. Hi, Stormy. Hi, Stormy. Is everybody getting fed? Yeah. That's why our faces are all dirty. Yeah. You're so sweet. You're so sweet. Such a sweet babies. And you guys are so sweet. They're sweet babies. Yeah. Yes. Mr. Gray's getting a little excited. Yeah. 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 Are you looking for your friends? What are you guys doing over here? Okay, I think I need to stop videotaping. Because Mr. Gray is flying everywhere.
I'm over here in case anybody's looking me.
Say till next time.